Europe is often referred to as community of values. Today, I would like to focus on one of the most important documents defining these values, the Charter of Fundamental Rights of the European Union. I will analyze its signification, content, and impact on the daily lives of European Union citizens. The Charter of Fundamental Rights of the European Union constitutes the cornerstone of protection for the rights and freedoms of UA citizens, European Union citizens. It is a collection of fundamental principles aimed at guaranteeing a range of fundamental rights, such as dignity, freedom, equality, solidarity, European citizenship, and justice. This charter not only safeguards the rights of citizens, but also defines the obligation of European Union institutions and bodies to respect these rights. In this way, the Charter plays a significant role in maintaining a balance between individual freedoms and the actions of European Union institutions. One of the key aspects of the Charter of Fundamental Rights is its universality and comprehensiveness. It guarantees the rights and freedom of all persons residing in European Union, regardless of their citizenship, religion, gender, race, or sexual orientation. This is very important in the context of the diverse European society characterized by a variety of cultures, languages, and traditions. Moreover, the Charter of Fundamental Rights of the European Union serves as an important point of reference for member states in protecting human rights and fundamental freedoms. It affects how public police and national laws are formed, pushing for them to European standards, with European standards. In the following slides, I will take a closer look at the history of Charter creation and its key articles and provisions, which constitutes the pillars of human rights protection on European Union. Before the creation of a historical context. So before the creation of the Charter of Fundamental Rights, the protection on fundamental rights in the European Union was based on different documents, including the founding treaties and the case law of the European Court of Justice. However, the lack of unified and coherent document raised the need for a more comprehensive and organized system for protecting human rights at the European Union level. The process of creating the Charter of Fundamental Rights began during the processing of the European Convention, which took place in the years 1999-2000. This convention consisted of representatives from member states, national parliaments, the European Parliament, and the European Commissions. its goal was to prepare a draft of the charter, which would later be adopted at a European Union summit. In the 7th December 2000 in Nice, the Charter Fundamental Rights of the European Union was solemnly proclaimed. Although at the time the Charter did not have legally binding force, it was an important step towards to recognize and protecting fundamental rights at the European level. So, ultimately, the Charter of Fundamental Rights of the European Union became a legally binding document with the entry into force of the Lisbon Treaty in 2009. So it became an integral part of the European Union law, alongside treaties and other acts of primary and secondary law. Thanks to the Charter of Fundamental Rights of the European Union, the European Union has a coherent and comprehensive system for protecting human rights, which covers all European Union citizens and protecting basic rights and freedom within the Union. So, fundamental rights, the Charter for Fundamental Rights. The fundamental rights are civil political rights. The Charter protects rights such as the right to life, the prohibition of torture, and freedom and expression, social and economic rights. It guarantees rights like the right to work, the right to social security, and the right to education. Solidarity rights. The Charter also includes rights related to labor protection, environmental protection, and consumer rights. It was six fundamental rights, I can say. Why do we need the Charter? The Charter helps strengthen and protect fundamental human rights across the European Union. I think it's the basic why we need this. And also upholds the European Union core values of human, like dignity, freedom, equality, and the rule of law, and legal certainty. So it's the reason why we need the Charter. Opt-out and exceptions are ways used in the European integration. They let member countries choose not follow some rules or get special treatment for certain parts of European integration. Little about the British Protocol, also known as Protocol number 30 in the Treaty of Lisbon, is an example of an opt-out. It stopped the Charter of Fundamental Rights from fully applying to citizens of the United Kingdom and also Poland. This protocol was made because the British legal system is different from other European countries, and Great Britain had concerns about it. Poland also agreed to this protocol in the end. Now, as we know, Great Britain left the European Union, and Poland is now the only country with an opt-out clause limiting of the Charter of Fundamental Rights. Who implements regulations of from the Charter? These are European Union institutions, national courts, European Court of Justice. So yeah. And conclusions. The Charter of Fundamental Rights is a cornerstone of the European Union, ensuring the protection of human rights and upholding European Union values. The Charter will remain a vital instrument in safeguarding the rights and freedom of all European Union citizens and residents. Thank you.